Have you ever been fascinated by abandoned buildings? These structures once stood tall, but now have been left vacant and forgotten. They may be covered in dust and cobwebs, but they still hold a certain mystery and intrigue. In this video, we will take you on a journey to explore 10 of the most haunting abandoned buildings in the world. From a decaying asylum to an abandoned amusement park, you won't want to miss these eerie sights. Welcome to our video on 10 haunting abandoned buildings you need to explore. If you're a fan of exploring abandoned structures, you won't want to miss this video. From hospitals to amusement parks, we'll show you some of the most intriguing and mysterious abandoned buildings in the world. So, grab your flashlight and let's go explore. Our first stop on our journey takes us to an abandoned mental asylum in upstate New York. The asylum was once home to hundreds of mentally ill patients and is said to be haunted by the spirits of those who died within its walls. Next, we'll take you to an abandoned ghost town in the California desert. This once thriving community was left to crumble after the gold rush ended, and now serves as an eerie reminder of the past. Our journey continues to an abandoned amusement park in Japan. The park was closed after a deadly accident on one of its roller coasters, and now lies in decay, with its rides and attractions left to rust. From there, we'll venture to an abandoned church in Belgium. The church has been abandoned for decades, but its haunting beauty still remains. Our next destination is an abandoned hospital in Italy. The hospital was once a state-of-the-art facility, but now sits empty and forgotten, with its operating rooms and patient rooms left to deteriorate. We'll also take you to an abandoned factory in Detroit, Michigan. The factory was once a bustling hub of industry, but now stands as a reminder of the city's decline. Our journey also includes an abandoned castle in Scotland. The castle dates back to the 16th century and was once home to Scottish royalty, but now lies in ruins, with its walls and towers left to crumble. Next, we'll explore an abandoned subway station in New York City. The station was closed in the 1940s, and now serves as a hidden piece of history beneath the city's bustling streets. We'll also take you to an abandoned hotel in the Philippines. The hotel was once a luxurious destination for tourists, but now sits vacant, with its ornate architecture and decor left to decay. Our journey comes to a close with a visit to an abandoned prison in Ireland. The prison was closed in the 1920s, but its eerie cells and corridors still hold the memories of its former inmates. Thanks for joining us on our journey to explore 10 haunting abandoned buildings. We hope you enjoyed the adventure and discovered some new places to explore. Remember, when exploring abandoned buildings, always be safe and respectful. Until next time, happy exploring!